Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Hinfallen is to fall down. Hinfallen, fall down. How would you say, I fall down? Ich falle hin. You see, it's a separable verb, similar to fall down. So, ich falle hin. Hin is the prefix that is separated and kicked to the end. Ich falle hin. How would you say, the coffee falls down? Der Kaffee fällt hin. How would you say, the mobile phone falls down? Das Handy fällt hin. We say Handy, das Handy for mobile phone. Strange translation. I think that Germans misunderstood here something. Just because you hold it in your hands, it's not a handy, right? Handy, das Handy, the mobile phone. Das Handy fällt hin. How would you say, the cup falls down? The cup falls down. Die Tasse fällt hin. Die Tasse fällt hin. Like a cup of coffee. How would you say the cup of coffee falls down? Die Kaffeetasse fällt hin. We would put it as one word. Die Kaffeetasse fällt hin. You see, der Kaffee, masculine. Die Tasse, feminine. But when we put it as one word, we will keep the article of the last noun. So it's die Kaffeetasse. Die Kaffeetasse fällt hin. How would you say, watch out, the coffee is falling down? Pass auf, der Kaffee fällt hin. Yeah, we can say in German, pass auf, watch out. Or pay attention, pass auf. Pass auf, der Kaffee fällt hin. And you see, we don't have this ing form. Is falling down now. We use the present tense. We say, der Kaffee fällt hin. Pass auf, der Kaffee fällt hin. How would you say in the past? The coffee has fallen down. Der Kaffee ist hingefallen. You see, we use here the auxiliary verb sein to build the past. Der Kaffee ist hingefallen. Because hinfallen expresses a movement. Most of the verbs that express a movement will build the past with the auxiliary verb sein. So we say the coffee is downfallen. Der Kaffee ist hingefallen. And you see, hingefallen is the participle. Since it is a separable verb, the GE slips in between. The GE for the participle. Hingefallen, hingefallen. Der Kaffee ist hingefallen. How would you say, the mobile phone has fallen down? Das Handy ist hingefallen. How would you say, the cup fell down? Die Tasse ist hingefallen. How would you say, whom did the coffee fall down? Wem ist der Kaffee hingefallen? Now this is a strange expression in German. Wem ist der Kaffee hingefallen? Here we're asking whom to whom. So who was the person responsible for letting the coffee fall down? We can say it this way in German. Whom did the coffee fall down? Wem ist der Kaffee hingefallen? Wem is the dative question We're asking about the person that is responsible for letting the coffee fall down. Wem with an M. Wem ist der Kaffee hingefallen? How would you say, whom did the mobile phone fall down? Wem ist das Handy hingefallen? How would you say, whom did the cup fall down? Wem ist die Tasse hingefallen? How would you say, the coffee fell me down? Der Kaffee ist mir hingefallen. It's a strange expression in German, strange structure, but we can say it this way in German. Der Kaffee ist mir, to me. Here it refers more that I was the one responsible for letting the coffee fall down. So, mir, to me. Der Kaffee ist mir hingefallen. The coffee fell me down. How would you say, the mobile phone fell me down? Das Handy ist mir hingefallen. How would you say, the cup fell me down? Die Tasse ist mir hingefallen. You see, the structure means that you were the one responsible for letting the cup or the coffee or the mobile phone fall down. And we can say it this way in German. Der Kaffee ist mir hingefallen. The coffee has fallen me down. How would you say, the coffee has fallen him down? Der Kaffee ist ihm hingefallen. You see, these are the dative pronouns. Mir, to me. Ihm, to him. So he was the one responsible this time. Der Kaffee ist ihm hingefallen. How would you say, the coffee has fallen down her? Der Kaffee ist ihr hingefallen. Ihr, to her, the dative pronoun for to her. Der Kaffee ist ihr hingefallen. So this time she was responsible for it. She let the coffee fall down. How would you say, the mobile phone has fallen him down? Das Handy ist ihm hingefallen. How would you say, the mobile phone has fallen her down? Das Handy ist ihr hingefallen. Great! Next time we'll go through the verb spülen, to rinse. Spülen, to rinse. Like to rinse the glasses. So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither has the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.